So in this video, we're actually checking out a location in Arkansas that produces crystals like these, bigger and smaller. And this weekend, it's gonna be open to the public, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Check it out, watch the rest of this video, and hope to see you there. Welcome to the Crystal Collector, and today, you guys, we have a surprise. We're in Arkansas at a place called Fisher Mountain, and this location hasn't been open to the public in years. So Avant Mining is actually opening this place up, and you guys are going to get to come out here and dig through these tailings. And we're going to do a dig this weekend for the first time in years. So they've came out and flipped over these old piles, and we're even working an area where you can get into some veins. So let's go check that out and see what we can find. So I'm walking around, we got all these piles out here, and we're just now starting to flip them over, and I see this huge point sticking out. Check this out. Right here. Look at this. Watch out, Matrix. I haven't gotten it yet. Golly. This is crazy. This is why people talk about Fisher Mountain. So there you go. So you definitely want to come out and check these piles out. So yeah, you guys are going to be able to go through these piles, and this is going to be a real short video because I'm not going to sit here and dig through these. You guys are going to be the ones to go through them this weekend and from here on out. But I do want to show you, you know, kind of what it's about. This is a brand new pile. I don't know what's in it. There may be not much of anything. That happens sometimes, but you can definitely see some crystal formation here and there. Normally, you want to try to look for the rock, a little bit of red clay attached to it. You see there? There's crystals all in there. So basically, you're just coming out and you're digging through these tailings and these piles, or you could even find a spot to maybe dig them right out of the pocket, just like Mike's doing here. Look at this, 2 foot from the surface, you guys. There's pockets. So, I'm telling you, if there's any way you can make it out, get on out this weekend. If not, don't worry about it because it's going to be open in the future. Maybe 7 days a week, but I think right now they're going to do weekend digs for a while, see how things work out. So these piles are being flipped left and right. And I'm telling you right now, obviously there's some tailings that have stuff in it, but look at this. This is an actual vein system that they came in and scraped. Look at this, straight out of the pocket. Clusters. And these are super clear crystals here. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I know this is going to be accessible. You guys are going to have all kinds of areas to dig here. So yeah, let's keep going and seeing what all is going to be done here for you guys this weekend and in the future. There's going to be some areas here this weekend that you guys can dig hard rock mining right out of these walls. And look at this, crystals already showing. If Matrix doesn't get it first. This place is gonna be epic. Look at this. There are crystals everywhere. I just had already picked this one up. There's another one right here, without a doubt. Oh yeah. Awesome. So we're here and we're just down in like a 2 foot hole here and already seeing things coming out. I'm not sure what's in here yet, but I have put out a few crystals, and you guys will be able to dig right down into all this as well this weekend. And there we go. Look at that cluster.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna look nice, cleaned up. So we're just going to dig through this wall here, and it's really decomposed, but these rocks in these clusters are pretty much situated where they formed. You just never know. They have moved around somewhat over the years and time.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Ooh, what? That's gonna be awesome when cleaned up. Here's just showing a few of those sort of cleaned. Can't really call it clean, just barely spray it off, but at least you can start to see the amazing crystals. All of that dirt will come off. Usually what you want to do is let this dirt dry up and then spray it, and the water just takes it right off, but we haven't had time to do that, and I want to go ahead and get this out to you guys. And there appear to be some nice clusters and cluster formations coming out of these walls. There's just a little clear point. So basically what we're doing here is we're looking for the seams to open up, and they'll form into pockets. And they're kind of sporadic. Once you get into a pocket, you can chase and follow that pocket. But sometimes you can dig for 2 foot, sometimes you can dig for 10 foot. Just don't ever know when you'll really pop into something wild. Pretty cool point. It just came out. Clean it up just a bit. So these veins do start to produce some bigger crystals here as well in this area. Just put out this little burr. Let's check it out clean and you'll see what I mean by burr. It's kind of rounded. Check this out. So here's the section I'm talking about, you guys. You can see, look, there's just crystals all in here. Ooh, look at this. These are small, but just picked up 7 or 8 crystals in just a few seconds. Oh yeah, look at that. There's just a whole pocket of them. Nice. Here's some of the quality of the crystals that you'll get out of these little pockets here. You can see there's still a lot of cleaning and dirt and mud, but you can get the idea. They are beautiful. Here's a small handful of the points that you'll find all over the place at this location. Obviously these are not cleaned up. Once cleaned, they'll look like just a handful of pure ice. So you guys definitely come and check this out. I'll be actually filming a video for YouTube this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, at this location. So come and hang out and say hey, and if you want to be in a video, you can do that as well. Come out and find some good stuff. You guys check their link in the description, Avant Mining. Thanks to those guys for, getting it going and bringing us these awesome crystals. All right, y'all, one last thing. Make sure you're subscribed and have that notifications bell on, because we've been digging these black, or some people call blue phantoms, out of this pocket right here in Arkansas. Check these things out. I mean, they are epic. Look at this. I mean, these aren't cleaned. Look at those phantoms in there. That's just crazy. What? So here's the thing. Not only am I going to be able to do an awesome video for you guys showing these being pulled up here in the few days, right out of the ground, but there's something even better. So the owner of this mine here at Avant Mining has just let me tell you guys the most crazy thing ever. Check this out. So instead of him digging these commercially and putting them all up for sale, he's going to let you guys come and do paid to dig pockets on blue phantoms. What? I mean, I was even in shock. I'm going to buy several pockets. And over the next 2 or 3 weeks, I will be the one doing the digging for you guys. So you can come out, hang out with me, and dig and do one of these pay to dig pockets. I will have more information out on the next video coming up on the pocket that we've already dug, showing you what it's going to be about, a better idea of the crystals once they're really washed off, Here's one that's kind of cleaned up. I mean, these things are beautiful. with these phantoms. So be sure to tune in for that, you guys. I'm telling you right now, we're going to be getting to all kind of crazy stuff all over the United States of America. Be sure to hang out. You done? Did you find some crystals? Where they at, boy? To purchase crystals from this dig and many others from the Crystal Collector, we'll be doing live auctions on the Ultra Rocks Facebook page. Check it out. Google search Ultra Rocks eBay and you'll find the eBay store Ultra Rocks. From there, you'll find all kinds of cool rocks for sale. You can also find the link in the description. Thanks so much for your support. To help and support this channel, please like and share, and we sure do love your comments. Thanks for watching.